Chiles and Nogada. Chiles and Nogada are an iconic dish of Mexican cuisine. This delicious treat is native to the state of Puebla and has become one of the country's most representative dishes. Ingredients. The ingredients of Chiles and Nogada are poblano peppers, ground beef, almonds, walnuts, pomegranate, pine nuts, walnut sauce. Preparation. The preparation of Chiles and Nogada is somewhat laborious, but the result is a delicious and unique dish. Filling process. To prepare the stuffed peppers, the poblano peppers are roasted and the skin is removed. Next, they are filled with a mixture of ground beef, almonds, walnuts, raisins, pine nuts, and walnut sauce. Walnut sauce process. The walnut sauce is a creamy and delicious sauce made with milk, nutmeg, almonds, cinnamon, and sugar. Assembly. The stuffed peppers are covered with the walnut sauce and garnished with parsley. Chiles and Nogada are a dish that is best enjoyed in company. It is an excellent option to celebrate a special occasion. If you want to learn how to make Chiles and Nogada, we leave you a recipe in the video description. Enjoy the symbolism of the colors of Chiles and Nogada, which are said to represent the colors of the Mexican flag.